Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create this simple page on your Handshake name using a hack that Namer Ninja showed me. Essentially the hack is we can take advantage of Github Pages, its servers, to host whatever kind of HTML file that we want. Github Pages is great because they provide some pretty cool templates that you can use to quickly set up a page on your Handshake name, but those templates are a little limited in terms of like how much you can customize them. Instead, this hack makes it possible to just build pretty much whatever. So to get started, you just need a Handshake name on your Namebase account. I'll be using jwoo here, and a GitHub account. So we're going to start a project. We're going to name this repository, call it hack. Creating it. Great. And we're going to create a new file here. So the name of this file is going to be cname. And in the new file, we're gonna type in exactly the domain that we want our this website to live on. So let's use a hack.jwoo. Right, so jwoo is the Handshake name, the TLD that I have on Namebase, and it will be living on the hack subdomain, this website. Cool. So we're gonna commit that new file. So go to Settings. I'm going to scroll down to GitHub Pages. Let's see, we're going to change the source to main, and we'll save that. It says root. And so if we scroll back down to GitHub Pages, we should see that, yep, the custom domain is already at hack.jwoo. And that's because of the cname file that we had created at first. So going back to hack, what we can do now is just really upload pretty much any HTML file, but Namer Ninja provided a pretty awesome template that I'll also be sharing down in the link below and in the Learning Center, so you can do this too. But we can upload this HTML file, index.html, commit changes. Cool. And this is going to be your bread and butter for customizing that page, right? So hello world title is going to be right here in the tab. Let's just change something real quick. Instead of hello world, instead of this is my first Handshake site, this is my first, let's say this, edit this. We can say this is my first Handshake hack. So this is my first Handshake site. This should say hack instead. Commit those changes. Great. And so right now, what this file should look like, it should say hello world, but it won't have this background image. It will just be a red background for now. So in order to get the image to work, you'll see background image right here. We have it at hello world. So to do so, we're going to go back to hack, and we're going to upload one more file, and that is going to be hello world, the JPEG image. Commit those changes. Awesome. So this should be good to go, and the final step is just to add the proper name server DNS records in Namebase. So we got to actually create a couple A records, 4 of them actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The subdomain is going to be the same on each. I believe we chose hack, so hack.jwoo, hack. And then the IP address is going to be the GitHub Pages IP address, which in this case is going to be 185.199.108.153. And what's going to change is these numbers right here. So I'm going to copy and paste these multiple times, and this is just going to be 109. This is going to be 110, and this is going to be 111. Save. Great. And we should be able to visit our page through hack.jwoo now. So hack.jwoo, the moment of truth. We're there. we're good to go, and it's living on hack.jwoo. So you can use this hack for pretty much any HTML file, but I will provide the template below. This was so awesome to discover. Many props for Namer Ninja for really playing around. You can check out some of his awesome work like at jingle.bells as well, which is just pretty funny. Here, let's just visit it. Anyways, jingle bells. And it's just a really funny use of his handshake name. Cool. So hope this provides a lot of inspiration for creating all kinds of websites. I'm very much looking forward to seeing the community creations that come out of this. And then if you do create something pretty awesome that you'd like to show off, please create a tutorial showing how you did so. We can include that in the Learning Center so the rest of the community can learn from your knowledge as well. Cool. But until then, happy creating and happy naming.